Jag tar hajen. Jag.
Means I, pronounced.
Yang.
With a distinct
G.
sound like in go, but slightly softer. It's the first person singular pronoun in Swedish. Always used when referring to oneself as the subject of a sentence.
Tahr.
Means take or am taking. Pronounced
Tahr.
with the
A.
sounding like the in father and the r rolled lightly. It's the present tense form of the verb,
Ta.
indicating an action happening now.
Hajen.
Means the shark. Pronounced
Hajen.
with the
A.
sounding like the in father and a distinct j sound like the y in yes. The
N.
adds the definite article,
The.
making it specify a particular shark. Putting it together
Jag tar hajen. Citattecken.
means I am taking the shark, or I take the shark. The tense can imply either a continuing action or a single act, depending on context. It's a statement conveying the action of taking a shark.